Alright, today I'm going to show you how you can install Python at the same time uninstall Python. Followed up by the how do you can install the Visual Studio Code Editor and also uninstall the code editor if you need. Alright, let's move on to the installing of Python. To install Python, you go to python.org. Alright, under that there will be downloads and download Python 3.9.1. So currently the version is 3.9. So once you have downloaded the file, then you can open it to install it. Over here, this is the installer. So click on the add Python 3.9 to the path and then click on install. So Python will be installed. Installing is quite fast. However, uninstalling takes some time. Right. Once you have finished installing, you can close the installer. Once you close the installer, how do you know whether Python is successfully installed? Is to go to your start, go to command line or click CMD, command prompt. So this is your command prompt to check whether Python is installed properly. Just enter Python and click enter. So if you see this three arrow, means Python is installed successfully. If this doesn't work, like Python, there's something coming out, whatever reason, you can also check whether the Python is installed by using the py, right? Py space dash 3. So this also gives the same result. So once you see the three arrow, means Python is installed successfully. All right, next we're gonna install Visual Studio Code Editor. To install the Visual Studio Code, which you can use with Python, you go to the code.visualstudio.com. Click here for download for Windows. If you are Mac or other Linux, you can select the option. So currently I'm going to show the Windows. So click on download, then you will start downloading this page. Right. So once you have downloaded, click yes, accept, next, and then you want to just click on all option. All right, and then click install, and Visual Studio will be installed. Okay. So to uninstall Python for whatever reason, um, I will show you next. So this is the Visual Studio installed, and you can see the coding. Yeah. So over here, to uninstall, go to your program files. We add or remove programs over here, or your control panel uninstall program. All right. So just go to search the list and go to the Python. All right. So over Python, you can install uninstall here. Click yes, and it will be uninstalled. Uninstallation take about maybe 30 seconds longer. You can also uninstall the Python launcher if you want. I'm going to pause the video for a while and come back once it's uninstalled. Okay, welcome back. To check whether the Python is uninstalled, go to your CMD again, and then do the same thing, py Python, and you will see that it will either open up to your Windows Microsoft Store to ask you to download the Python 3.9, or if you use py-3, you have an error not recognize internal external command. So there's Python uninstalled successfully. Same thing for uninstalling Visual Studio. Go to your program file, and then Visual Studio Code. Right. So just click over here and uninstall and follow out the processes. So that's it for the tutorial today. Do check out my blog for what is Python and Python basics. Thank you so much and have a great year.